So we got somebody called Saint MERCATÖR. I believe that's how you say the name. It's called The Biggest Bird. I came across this on my recommendations. So I'm like, let me check it out, bro. Got a bird like on his head, right? You know, like a costume of a bird. So I don't know, man. It just look interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. To drop the dead go. It's at 103K views. When I first looked at it, it was at like 60K or something like that. So it's moving up. He doing whatever he doing, man. Let's get into the Saint MERCATÖR, The Biggest Bird.
Don't know what you've heard. Don't know what you heard. Don't know what you've heard. I don't know what you heard. I don't know what you heard.
Bro, I'm feeling like this for to be one of those, bro. Like, I'm just trying to go viral song. I don't know if this is a real song, bro. I don't know.
Don't know what you heard. Oh no, oh no. But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
It's like, it's like big dog. Like, I guess that's what he said. Like, he like big dog, bro.
I'm the biggest bird. 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 Bigger than a castle where you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like this. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Nah, bro. And then hold on, let me.
Me, but they can't be like this. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the
Him, bro. He one of them guys, bro. You supposed to tell your man. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Is he just trying to go viral? I don't know. But he didn't tell his mans like, this ain't it, G. This ain't it. They're all gonna laugh at you, G. You know? He didn't say that. They'd be them friends. They'd be them friends, bro. This man out here in the whole duck suit, bro. He put on the whole Donald Duck suit, bro.
Biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Walked in, they scared of me. They wanna be like Mo, there's no comparison. They wanna be like Chickadee.
Then he out there with all of the ducks or whatever, bro. He funny as hell for that. But him being in I'm the biggest bird, like he got the phone and he just, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Like that's just how he coming with this shit, bro. This shit is, I'm hoping that he spit some bars or something, yo.
They wanna be like Mo, there's no comparison. They wanna be like Chickadee singing in the wind. Hold up, maybe you wanna see I'm not him. Bigger than a Moa, let's get when I show up.
Computer stay be tweaking, man. I can't miss nothing, bro.
Singing in the wind. Hold up, maybe you wanna see I'm not him. Bigger than a Moa, let's get when I show up. They
What inspired this shit? Like, what y'all think inspired, bro? Like, is it just a viral moment or? Cause you know what? I ain't gonna cap. If you come to me and you say like, man, you know, I'm the biggest bird. Okay, all right, bro, that's cool. But what the fuck else? You know what I'm saying? This shit not serious.
They're the claws that took my legs. They say, oh my, look at the size of his egg. Oh, I'm the biggest bird, it's so absurd. I'm the biggest bird, how have you not heard? How haven't you heard? How haven't you heard?
He said, I'm the biggest bird, how have you not heard? That might be the hottest line so far, bro.
I'm the biggest bird. How have you not heard? How did you heard? How did you heard?
Fuck.
Don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. But I'm the biggest bird. 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 I'm the biggest bird.
He gonna get his viral moment, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if this shit didn't hit the end, bro. I'm the biggest bird. It's that part. I'm not gonna cat. That part is catchy, but this shit silly as hell, bro. And like I said, I like the concept of it. Come on, man.
I'm the biggest bird. 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 Hey, P.O. in this. MERCATÖR when I walk in. Who I is. The odds fly above me. Don't wanna give me no company. It's okay with me. You can't be on my perch. You cannot. You can't rest in my roots. No, you can't. I already know how you do. Biggest bird, that's me.
He got high and he freestyled to this beat on some funny shit, and then like, fuck it, let's go record it. And now they was drunk. They were high. This was drunk shit.
You can't. I already know how you do. Biggest bird, that's me, Mr. 2002. That's me.
Okay, that was Saint MERCATÖR, the biggest bird. Drunk as hell. I don't care what he say. He was drunk when he made that shit, bro. He freestyled it, and his homie was like, "Drop that shit. Your homie is not your homie, man. He's not your homie unless he told you it was weak or whatever. You was like, fuck that. They gon' love but hate, and not like but hate and clown it. So it's gonna do the numbers. You getting what you want from it. I'm telling you that. When I said a couple hours ago, it was at 60,000. Now it's at 103,000, bro. Like, I don't know, man. What the fuck, bro? I'm the biggest bird. That's some shit to live by, I guess, like big dog shit. You know, I'm big dog. I'm the biggest dog. I'm the fucking line. I don't know, bro. I'm trying to make up something for you, bro. I'm trying to make up something for you, bro, so we can understand it and everybody sit here and understand it. But this shit was crazy. I was not expecting this. I was expecting some real music, like a real song, bro. But I would not be surprised if this does not hit 1 million by Sunday. In like about 7 days, he should be at 1 million, bro. This shit crazy. But that was Saint MERCATÖR, the biggest bird. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And catch you on the next reaction.